Children, today I am going to present second lecture on real numbers. Now let us have a recap of previous lecture. First of all, we know HCF by division method, that is called division algorithm. Secondly, we have proved that HCF by division lemma is equal, that states A is equal to BQ plus R. Also, even numbers are of the form 2Q, odd numbers are of the form 2Q plus 1, and all positive integers or numbers are of the form 3Q or 3Q plus 1 or 3Q plus 2. Now today let us have the real numbers to continue. So it contains fundamental theorem of arithmetic, which states that any composite number can be factorized into product of primes, and the factorization is unique. It is an illustration, it is an example here to be given. Let us take any positive integer, that is 2352. Now its prime factorization is 2352 is equal to 2 into 1176. This 1176 can further be factorized. It is 2 into 588. This 588 can further be factorized. It is 2 into 2 into 2 into 294. Then it is once again to be factorized. It is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 147. 147 can further be factorized. It is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 49. 49 once again to be factorized. It is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 7 into 7. Thus, the fundamental theorem of arithmetic, that is 2352, is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 7 into 7. Is example, express the following as product of prime factors: 156, second part 468, third part 5005. Now let us have once again 156 as 2 into 78, 2 into 2 into 39, 2 into 2 into 3 into 13. So this is fundamental theorem of arithmetic for 156. Similarly, the second and third you can do by your own. Find HCF of 15 and 40 using fundamental theorem of arithmetic, that is by prime factorization method. Given numbers are 15 and 40. 15 can be equal to 3 into 5 and 40 can be equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. Now let us consider the common factors of 15 and 40. So here also is 5, so here is also 5, so we take 5 once. That is the HCF of this 15 and 40. Example next. Find HCF and LCM of 24 and 56 and verify that LCM into HCF is equal to product of the numbers. Given numbers are 24 and 56. 24 by fundamental theorem of arithmetic, it is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. 56 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 7. Now HCF of 24 and 56 is 2, these 2, these 2, these 2 thrice, that is 8. And also LCM of this 24 and 56, this 8 and those which are not common, that is 3 into 7, that is 168. Thus HCF into LCM, product of HCF and LCM is equal to 8 into 168, that is 1344. Also product of the numbers, that is 24 into 56, that is 1344. So both these are same. Thus we know that HCF into LCM of any two numbers is also equal to product of the numbers. Next example is check whether 8 power n can end with digit 0 for any natural number n. Let 8 power n end with digit 0 for any natural number n. Then 8 power n is divisible by 5. Prime factorization of 8 power n contains 5. This is not possible because only 2 is contained in the prime factorization of 8. 5 is not there. Thus our supposition is wrong. Hence 8 power n cannot end with digit 0. Next example is explain why 2 into 5 into 7 into 11 plus 11 is a composite number. This is one term, this is the second term of this one. So given number is 2 into 5 into 7 into 11 plus 11. So this 11 will be taken common. This 2 will remain here, 5 will remain here, 7 will remain here. Instead of this 11 it will 1, and for this 11 it will be 1. So it is 11 into 2 into 5 into 7 is 70 plus this 1, that is equal to 11 into 71. So this is equal to 1 into 11 into 71, containing more than 2 factors, that is it is containing 3. So this is a composite number. Thus numbers contain more than 2 factors. Hence 2 into 5 into 7 into 11 plus 11 is a composite number. Example next now. There is a circular path around a sports field. Sonam takes 20 minutes to drive one road of round. It is not road, it is round of the field, while Rajiv takes 24 minutes for the same. Suppose they start at the same point and at the same time and go in the same direction. After how many minutes will they meet again at the starting point? Here let us have how much time Sonam takes. Sonam takes time 20 minutes. Rajiv takes time, it is 24 minutes. We have to make this prime factor is in first of all 20 is equal to 2 into 2 into 5. Similarly 24 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Thus LCM of 20 and 24 is 2, this 2, this 2. These 3 are uncommon, these 3 will be contained, that is equal to 120 minutes. Thus Sonam and Rajiv will meet after 120 minutes again at the starting point. Here is some task to be given to you, that you revise, have these questions to be done at home, and on the Wednesday we will meet again, and just you finish these questions and you will do NCERT questions also, and whenever anywhere if there is doubt we will clear that.